हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम बात करेंगे यूजीसी नेट 2009 के लाइब्रेरी एंड इंफॉर्मेशन साइंस के पेपर के बारे में। एन इनविजिबल कॉलेज इज अ टिपिकल एग्जाम्पल ऑफ द informal channel of the communication. Bern Convention was adopted in the year 1886. FID was dissolved in the year 2002. The use of CD-ROMs in the library significantly relates to which of the following laws? That is fifth law of the library science. Which source would you consult to get the latest information on controversies about the venue for Tata's Nano? India a reference annual. Bubble link is a subject gateway. Who had given the minimal, middling and maximum theory of reference service? Samuel Rothstein. Compression is an important feature of the review. Geophysics has been formed as a result of the fusion. Which one is not a canon as given by Dr. S.R. Ranganathan? That is canon of comprehensiveness. ZWW was developed by zero-based budgeting system was developed by the Peter A. Fire. PERT was developed by the Navy Special Project Office. The term hypertext was coined by Ted Nelson. The 12 rules for relational database were given by the Edgar F. Code. The complete bibliographic details in MARC are available in the variable fields. Conversion of barcode into electrical signal ID done by the scanners. Bibliographic coupling was first advocated by M. Kessler. External and internal criticism implies in the historical research. Granthana is an official publication of the Raja Ram Mohan Rai Library Foundation. Million Book Project was initiated by this Carnegie Mellon University. Making information available using GSDL, Greenstone Digital Library, is effective than just putting it on the web. The information available in digital form can be archived. Both are true, and R is not the correct explanation of the A. Migration is the primary strategy used by most organizations for the digital archiving. Migration preserves the physical presence, content, functionality and context of the digital object. Both are true, and R is the correct explanation of the A. In library classification, an empty digit helps in interpolation between two consecutive ordinal numbers. Reason: an empty digit is a digit with ordinal value but no semantic value. Both are true, and R is not a correct explanation. In column classification, 2 represent mother country and 44 represent India. A given library in India can use 2 or 44 for India, but the rules allow for a choice. The above is a case of violation of canon of homonyms. Both are true, and R is the correct explanation. Present day libraries need to develop social networking tools for their library websites. Reason: it helps to reach out the patrons where they live and provide service at the point of the need. Both are true. Library science has been called science because it has a good application of scientific tools and techniques as is applicable in natural science and the physical science. Reason: experimental method of research has good scope in library science. Both are true, but R is not the correct explanation. Hypotheses are essential in all types of research because reason: objectives can fulfill the purpose of the hypothesis. A is false, but R is true. Skillful use of research procedures is an art that appropriate application in the research. Reason: systematically conducted research leads to the generalization. Both are true. Like other scientists, the social scientists can obtain relevant information by conducting experiments, interviewing people, observing people, and reviewing relevant literature. Reason: social scientists can't be so rigorous as can be of natural scientists. Both are true. Research results lead to propound new laws, theories, and principles. Reason: laws, principles, and theories are the result of the scientific research. A is true, but R is false. The British Library movement include the following major reports. Identify the correct chronological order of these reports. First, Select Committee report, Adams report, McColmy report, and last Canning report. Arrange the following library automation software according to their date of the origin. Lipsys, Sol, Koha, and last NewgenLib. Arrange the following online system in the order of their origin. First Eric, then Mark, then OCLC, and last Midline. Arrange the following indexing system in the order of their origin. First chain indexing, then Precis, then Popsy, and last Quick. Gautam's book Nyaya Sutra has given the following 4 steps of scientific research. Arrange them in proper order. First Pratyaks, then Upaman, then Anuman, and last up to Vaksya. Arrange the following librarians of the National Library in chronological order of their services. First K.M. Asadullah, then B.S. Keswan, then Y.M. Mulai, and last Dr. Kalia. Arrange the following library associates according to the year of their establishment. First ALA, then IFLA, then ILA, and last IASLIC. Arrange the following reference sources according to the date of the publication. First Encyclopedia Britannica, then Encyclopedia Americana, then McGraw-Hill Encyclopedia of Science and Technology, and last Encyclopedia of Library and Information Science. Arrange the following sources according to their date of the origin. First Library and Information Science Abstract, then Social Science Index, then Indian Library and Information Abstract, and last Library Literature. Arrange the following committees or commission according to the year of the formation. First National Library Review Committee, the Working Group on Libraries, then Sinha Committee on Public Libraries, and last Library Advisory Commission. Met the following: Gibbs law, measurement of word frequency; Hugh Garfield, impact factor; Bradford's law, law of scattering; Lotka's law, measurement of author productivity. The electronic library, UK, Library Herald of India, Library Trend of USA, International Classification, Germany. Met the following: Principles of Management, Henry Fayol; Function of Management, Luther Gulick; Theory of Hierarchy of the Needs, Abraham Maslow; System School of Management, F.W. Taylor. Met the following: DDC in 1876, CC in 1933, Riders International Classification 1961, Universal Decimal Classification 1905. Met the following: Search engine, Yahoo is the search engine; browser, Netscape is a browser; operating system, Unix is a operating system; and Pascal is the programming language. So from the paragraph, the policy makers of Brazil are primarily concerned with the impact of liberalization in IT use and product. What are the professional skills required to meet the global market? That is highly skilled, suitable to local needs. What was the significance of greenhouse policy of the Brazil? That is investment in IT sector. Effects of customization in different sectors of Brazilian industry are diffusion of IT in line with the local needs. What is the driving force that attracted foreign investment in Brazil? that is industrial capacity and skilled workforce. Thank you.